him. And he asked the angel, what do you want? What you came here for? He said, I came to take your soul out. I am Malak al-Maut. He picks up his hand and says, Ya Allah, all my life I loved you, every second I loved you. Now when you call me to you, you send the angel to take my life out. Ya Allah, ऐसी मौत नहीं चाहिए, अगर मेरी रूह निकालना हो तो जिससे मैंने मोहब्बत की, या रब तू अपने फضل करम से खुद मेरी रूह निकाल. I don't need this angel in between. And it happens so, angel return, Allah की कुदरत से उसकी रूह निकल गई. इमाम Sultan al-Ashiqeen, Sayyidina Imam Abu Farid radiyallahu ta'ala. And you know what was his vision? What was his power? His power was that if he looked at any janaza, if he looked at, he would have known whether this person did good in life or he did not do good in life, whether he will be punished or whether he will be forgiven. Imam Abu Farid radiallahu ta'ala walking with his son in the Qabristan, and he sees a janaza, he joins the janaza. Salatul janaza padhne ke baad rone lage. Logon ne pucha कि है इमाम क्यों रो रहे हो? फरमाए मैं देख रहा हूँ ये जनाजा जो जिसका है ये बंदा अपनी जिंदगी में कोई खैर ही नहीं किया, सर से पैर तक गुनाहों में मुलव्विस डूबा हुआ है गुनाहों में, इस पर बड़ा अजाब होगा अल्लाह. He joined the janaza, and after the burial he stood with his son here. He said, my son, let's stand at the graveside of this person and make dua till Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives him.